Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to create a poll in Facebook. As you can see right now, I'm in public group and here I want to create a poll. So here I directly create a poll by clicking here. Also I can click here and now clicking this three dot icon, and from here I can select poll. And after that you can create a public post or you can ask a question like I'm writing here. Do you like rose? And here's the question. Now I'm giving two answers here, yes and option 2 no, and I want to delete this option, so I'm clicking here. And now we can see here is total 2 poll have been created. One is yes, another is no. And if you want to add more option, then you can add more option by clicking here. So right now I'm gonna put in these two option here. Now I'm clicking on post, and here we can see a poll has been created. Do you like rose? Yes, no, and people can vote here easily. This is how we can create a poll in Facebook. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.